In response to the trends of digitalization and smart manufacturing, there is a need for systems that can quickly and instantly collect data during the production process. In the past, the food industry mostly relied on craftsmen's judgment, sensory and instrumental analysis, which was difficult to quantify or time-consuming. This technology applies spectrum techniques and statistics to address these shortcomings, integrating cross-disciplinary knowledge from food science, optoelectronics, and information technology. It offers several advantages, including the ability to quickly obtain multiple results from a single measurement. It is easy to operate and requires short training time, low energy consumption, and low pollution. This technology can be used in various food industry categories and has been successfully applied in meat processing industry and won a TIE Gold Medal in 2023. Through the implementation of this technology, we aim to expand the application scenarios of spectrum measurements in Taiwan's local industries, increase the involvement and cooperation of hardware and software developers,